doTERRA lovers. I have my mom, Jen, and we're gonna do an unboxing video. Are you ready, Mommy?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
So, we got the new Pilot Midnight Diffuser.
And Mommy's gonna actually give that to Grandpa
For Father's Day. Yeah.
Yes.
And it comes with a Midnight Forest. If you get it in
Can you
this
see
bundle, do you want to smell it?
So it says Midnight Forest. Right there.
Okay.
So that's really cool.
So let's take a look. This is a wireless USB mini diffuser that you can actually put in your cup holder of your car. Which I thought
Yes.
was pretty cool. So I'm
We
going to
should
open it
also-
from the bottom.
We should also give one of those to Daddy for Father's Day.
Oh, that's a good idea. So here we open it up.
Ooh, that's pretty. Look at
that.
that. Ooh, it feels so soft.
Beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
It's soft and it's kind of a squishy hard case.
Yeah, and it says doTERRA.
It says doTERRA right there. And then we just unzip
That's
it.
the company for Mommy. That's the
And
company.
then inside
we have this
we have
diffuser.
the instructions. We have,
It says doTERRA Pilot.
let's open this.
Let's see. Mystery.
It
Look
is
at that.
the charger for the car.
Yep. All cards need chargers.
Let's see what this one is.
Oh, that's
Probably
really
the
cool.
cord. The cord.
Cord.
And then,
This is the cord to go with the
Inside.
charger. Oh.
now look inside this case. There's actually a little place to put a few
yes,
oils that you
look.
might want to diffuse. Right in there.
Yeah. And,
And
this
then
is
here it is.
this is the diffuser. And it has an one on top of the O. That's cute.
The doTERRA O.
And it
Here's
feels
the little
weird.
button where you turn it on. Oh, it's
Oh.
actually working.
It's light.
Oh, it needs to be charged. But we twist this here, pop
Oh,
it
we
off,
put oil in there.
and we'll take this out. This is where you're gonna put the water
It says max.
and the oils, and that's the maximum level.
And if you don't know where this came for the UPS. So thank you, UPS. You're a big help to us.
So the charger, there's a little place right here for you to stick the charger. It's gonna go here.
So you plug that inside that. Just like this. But this is for your
Uh-oh,
car.
gotta go upside down. There we go.
So this
And
is
then
the
this goes
instruction.
into the charger, and then the charger goes into your car. You can plug it in,
Yeah.
and it has a dual charger, so you can actually plug your phone in there as well.
Yes.
Isn't that cool? Hey, so I hope you liked my little future YouTuber narrating there. She was so excited to do that. And I wanted to tell you a little bit about the Midnight Forest oil. When I first opened this oil, and my son said the same thing as well, it reminds me a bit of some of the holiday blends, Holiday Peace in particular. This blend is very foresty and sweet and woodsy. Let me read the oils that are in here. Siberian fir, cypress, juniper berry, black spruce, wild orange, frankincense, pimento leaf, cistus, caraway, and labdamen. It's a really nice, it really does smell like Christmas tree forest. I love that. And I love this little diffuser. I've been wanting one for a long time to put in the car, because we do have those little clips that go in our vents, but the oils tend to evaporate pretty quickly and you don't get the scent for maybe as long as you want. And if you or somebody you know is using those nasty toxic Febreze or those gel-filled ones, definitely replace it with this one. It's going to be so much better for you, and the scent is going to last longer. I'm really excited to charge mine up and get it going. If you guys don't have this already, definitely get it. It's going to be a keeper.